Rene here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mohawk 2-strand twist style. This is the style I used to wear when my hair was a lot shorter when I was in the TWA phase. So I'm just trying to see if my hair can do the same thing and actually what it's going to look like. So if you want to see how this turns out, be sure to stay tuned. Alright, so here I am starting off with my hair all nice and sectioned on both sides with 3 bund sections down the middle. I'm doing a mohawk style, so I had to have my hair prepped and ready to go. So here you see me now taking loose my first section so I can prepare my hair for braiding. Alright, and so I've done some of the braids already, and so you can see me here trying to part my hair as straight as possible. Like, me and this comb be going through something. Like, in my mind, the parts be straight, but the comb be like, girl, I'm doing the best I can. So just do the best you can when you're parting your hair, and I'm sure it'll turn out great. Alright, so what I'm doing here is coating my hair with the Shea Moisture Twist Defining Cream, the Manuka honey kind. And I'm prepping my hair and just trying to moisturize it and get it ready because I'm about to cornroll it. And you can see me here detangling my hair, and you also see me detangling my hair a lot throughout this video because I am just trying to make sure my hair doesn't get tangled up in knots while I'm trying to braid. Okay, so here you see me here going in with some jam at my roots. And so now this is kind of like my cheat code. I love to use jam at the roots when I'm braiding my hair, especially doing small braids, because it gives like a nice sleekness and shine. It also makes the braids look a little bit tighter than they really are. You're gonna see these braids, you're probably like, ooh girl, them braids look really, really tight. They're not tight at all. It was the jam that made them look like that. So if you're trying to, get that tight look without actually, pulling out your edges or just getting those little white bumps on your head, just try to put a little jam at the root and then braid it and see what it looks like. Try it, compare it, and let me know what you think. So here I am just showing you how long it took me to braid my hair in real time. It took me about a minute and a half to just do this one braid right here because I was moving really, really slow and I wanted to make sure that I got all the hairs in there. So I did about 7 braids on each side of my head, and it took me about like 35 minutes to just get the braiding part done for this style. Y'all, I really love doing my hair. It's like my form of therapy, my form of self-care. And if you're enjoying watching me do my hair, please don't forget to like this video, comment down below and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. And when you comment below, go ahead and drop some hairstyle ideas. I'm always down to try something new, and so I would love to try some of the suggestions you guys give, okay? And so now you see me here finishing the cornrow to the end of this section. And I also braided just a little bit beyond the section just to make sure that the cornrow didn't come loose while I was working on other sections of the head. Alright, boom, so we got one side done. Look how neat and nice those braids look. Y'all, I'm so excited. And my parts don't even look half bad. I'm really impressed with my own self. So you see me here, I'm just gonna go ahead and just twist this section out the way so I can move on to the other side so I can get those braids right on the other side. So you're gonna see me here just twist this joker up, throw it in a bun, and pat that bun for good luck before I move on to the other side. Alright, and so you see me here going on and finishing up the other side. I did the same exact process. Coated the hair with the Shea Moisture Twist Defining Cream with the Manuka honey in it, hitting those roots with jam, and then go ahead and cornroll it just the same way I did on the other side. Alright, so as you can see here, I got both sides nice and done, all braided. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It looks really good already. I also added some rubber bands to my hair. Let's just pretend that those rubber bands are black, okay? So you can see my hair is all out right here, and I'm looking like, girl, what are we gonna do? This definitely does not look like the picture and how I wore my hair back in '09, but I was committed to it, so I kept going. If you want to see the picture of what my style looked like back in '09 when I wore this mohawk style, be sure to visit my community tab, and then you can see that picture and having like a nice comparison of how much my hair has grown. So here I am just going to begin to 2-strand twist my hair. I'm coating the hair now with some of that Twist Defining Cream by Shea Moisture. I also dampen my hair just a little bit. I didn't want my hair sopping wet. I just wanted to dampen it a little bit and just twist it. And if you want to see how I twist my hair in great detail, be sure to take a look at my 2-strand twist video. I'm going to leave it up in a card up above and down in the description box so you can check that out. So boom, I just finished this twist just the same way I did in that 2-strand twist video. So be sure to check that out if you want a detailed description of how I do it. And then down at the ends, I just went ahead and sprayed it with a little bit of water and added some more of that twist defining cream just to get those curls to do what I wanted to do, because like I said, my hair was bone dry, and so I had to kind of like coax my curls to curl. All right. So as you can see here, the back is all done, and I was so excited, like we were making progress, okay? But I still had the whole front part of my head to get done. But it wasn't a challenge, nothing that I couldn't handle. So I just followed the same process. I parted the hair, sectioned it off, and 2-strand twist it. And as you can see, like a common theme in all my videos, if you watch them, I am like big on sections. Anytime I can section my hair out to help make my style the neatest as possible, I will do it. I'm all about sections. I'll section anything off, no matter how big or small. Also, as you can see, as I'm 2-strand twisting my hair, you can see I'm kind of doing like a smoothing technique with my hands. In my 2-strand twist video, I talk about it in great detail, but I try to incorporate, you know, ways to make my hair as sleek and smooth as possible in any style that I do, whether I'm braiding, twisting, curling, it doesn't matter. I try to make my hair look as sleek, smooth, and shiny as possible. So that's basically what I'm doing here. All right, y'all, here we are on the last 2-strand twist of the section. Now it took me about an hour and 45 minutes to do my hair, and that includes the actual corn rolling and the 2-strand twist to get this style done. I thoroughly enjoyed trying to recreate this style and make it look somewhat similar to how it looked back in 2009, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So as you can see, it definitely doesn't look like a mohawk per se, but I think it turned out just fine. And here I just try to style it a little bit different and, you know, pin up the side so I can have like a little razzle dazzle. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my mohawk 2-strand twist tutorial. I had a great time trying to recreate this style that I used to do on my hair when it was a lot shorter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me some likes, comment down below, let me know what you think, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. I hope I gave you a little bit of style inspiration, something that you can try. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.